Okay, this is a video of a Camano 31 water lift muffler repair. We bought the boat in May of 2019 and hired a mechanic to do a survey or be with us on the sea trial. And one of the things he noticed was an issue with the muffler. This is a picture of the muffler when we were on our 2-week holiday in Killarney, and I'm doing an emergency repair just to finish off the summer. I had made a decision that we could probably live with it. When I got up to Kildare, I was handing the boat off to my brother and felt that it should probably be in a better state, and making sure that he was taken care of. So at the end of the season, boat hauled out, we took it apart and undid my repair, which fell off like butter off a knife, as you can see, and dug out the original repair. My repair just fell off. We chose to create a pressure test. Ground out the top, you can see the lines of the cracks. Took a 4-inch plumbing, added an adapter from radiator heat exchanger test, and away we go.
Okay, here we are trying to isolate how serious the problem is on this muffler with cracks, or you can sort of see them here.
You can see the lines,
so what I've done is I've
the cracks. There's hundreds.
A pressure tester for radiator and heat exchangers. So we're going to pump it up and then see on the gauge. Anything registered? Barely.
It's like pumping up the paddle boards.
Don't worry about me. Go look at the muffler.
I pushed the pressure up to about maybe 3 pounds.
Right up close. Right there. Ready? Here we go.
And the fun begins.
Where are you testing first?
Right here. You know where it is.
Oh, okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
And yes, we have an issue.
I know, this is exciting stuff.
Look at all those bubbles. See the cracks. Oh yeah.
So after some research, I chose to repair this, thinking that it would probably be better than new. I ground out the top. It's clear that this is made up of fiberglass or epoxy cylinders with a top that they rotate depending on the angles. So I ground out everything and then re-epoxied the areas of issue. Obviously, muffler hot on the top, so the stress on the muffler and the heat was all on the upper portion. So I used polyester resin versus vinyl ester. That's what was available. Laid out the epoxy, did the sides, and then did a top, and then did a wrap over the whole thing. So there's, in some points in the critical areas, 3 layers of I think chop cloth, if I'm not 100% sure on the terminology of the fiberglass used. All came up pretty good. Time lapse here, I think every 1 second is a photo. I did it in 2 stages. Infrared heat lamp I kind of put on, not a lot. And the wifey checking out my work.
Wifey? Don't you dare call me wifey.
All right, then we're outside late at night, gets cold here, and 5 o'clock it gets dark. So yeah, it got dark in about 5 minutes. That's me spraying. The finished product. Oh, now I gotta bend a 4-inch exhaust hose.
The new and improved
I think better than
Semtech
new, actually.
4-inch muffler rebuilt. Let's hope she works. Or isn't she probably better than new?